Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Diana Ferraris. If you guys have been here with me for a while, hi guys, welcome. Today's video, I am going to be doing my must-have eye brushes. So, no further ado, I hope you guys like and subscribe and let me know in the comments down below how's your day going today so far. So the first brush that I am going to introduce to you guys, if you haven't seen her, don't own one. This one is the Morphe 441 brush. Is this beautiful fluffy blending brush. I feel like when it comes to makeup or when it comes to eye makeup and you are a beginner, I feel like it's crucial and very important to have the Morphe 441 brush, to have a blending brush. I feel like a blending brush is very important because I feel like we always have to do like different looks and stuff like that, and this one is like a quick, easy 1, 2, 3, like swipe a color on your crease and go. So I feel like everyone in their life needs a Morphe M441 brush. So that one's this one. Also, Morphe brushes are very affordable and they're high quality, so you're not breaking the bank and you're getting some bomb brushes. Then the next brush that I love, like with all my heart love, is the Morphe 421 brush. This brush I love for cut creases. If you're a beginner, you're probably like, whoa, Diana, we are not going there right now with the cut creases, but I really do love this brush for cut creases. When I first started doing cut creases, I was struggling a lot and this was my baby. I feel like this brush is good for a cut crease if you have hooded eyes. Also, this brush is good to pack on shimmers, pack on glitter. You could definitely use this brush for the lips. It's a multi-purpose brushes. When it comes to brushes, they don't really have like a certain use. Whatever you feel comfortable and whatever is your preference, that's what you go with. Whatever you like, definitely do it. I know a lot of people are like, oh, like I'll show them like a brush and they'll be like, oh, you know, but I use it for something else. Cool. There's no rules. There's no rules of how to use brushes. You do it how you want to do it. As long as you're having a good time, go for it. It doesn't matter. Like, you know, there's just no rules for brushes. The next brush that I also love is the Morphe 213 brush. This brush is amazing. I call this brush the multi-brush because you could literally use this brush for so many purposes. I use this brush for highlighting my inner corner, my brow bone, my lips, my lash line, to like smudge eyeshadow under my lash line. This brush is literally for everything and I think it's like $3. So you can't go wrong with this brush. The next brush that I feel like is a must-have and you need to have it if you don't have it is the Morphe 514 brush. Excuse me if my brushes are dirty. I did my makeup look with them and then yeah, so sorry. So this is the Morphe 514 brush. This brush is amazing. I love this brush. So this brush I love. When I say I love this brush, I love this brush. This brush I love to really like define and get into my crease. I like it because it literally is shaped perfect for your crease and it fits in your crease perfectly. And it won't go higher to your brow bone. But this brush, I feel like a lot of people don't talk about, and I'm here to talk about her because she is bomb. She is amazing, and she is also probably like $6 or $7. I don't know the prices, but I'll definitely leave it in the description down below if you guys want to purchase it. So yeah, 2 more brushes to go. So then the next brush is the 441 again. So I literally have like 5 or 6 of the 441. You could get extra brushes. I would say blending brushes because the more blending brushes you have, the better. It's very crucial that when you do an eye look, blending is key. And then this is the last one. This is the Morphe M432 brush. And I like this brush for smudging my lash line. I like this brush for like using it with concealer and cleaning up like, you know, the little edges, the little areas where you messed up. I like this brush for cleaning my brows as well. Everyone is different. Everyone has their own preference. I know brushes at the beginning is very overwhelming. When I first got brushes, I was overwhelmed. They have so many different type of brushes that you're like, whoa, where do I start? So I wanted to just to come here and show you guys a few brushes, my 6 must-have brushes, because when I started doing makeup, brushes were very overwhelming for me. I didn't know what brush went for this. So I feel like I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna sit down here and just not overwhelm people. And 6 brushes, I feel like you could definitely create a bomb eye look. Also, another question that a lot of people ask me is, what is the difference between a white haired brush and a black haired brush? So the white hair brush is a natural hairs, basically is made out of natural hairs, and then the black one is made synthetic. So what does that mean, Diana? So natural hairs are going to pick up more product, and then the synthetic hair is going to pick up less product. So synthetic is basically going to help out to blend everything seamlessly, look cute. Like if you feel like you went in way too hard with a color, you definitely could take like a black synthetic brush and blend everything out, and it will blend it out. So yeah, I think that's the end of this video. Like, this was a very short video, but I wanted to keep it short because I feel like a lot of people get overwhelmed when it comes to brushes. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.